User. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G plus 4G LTE, 256GB plus 8GB, 6.67-inch 200MP triple, T-Mobile Mint Teo and Global bands unlocked plus. Fast car dual charger bundle. ChatGPT. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G plus 4G LTE is a powerful and versatile smartphone. Here are its key features and specifications. Specifications. General. Model, Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. Network, 5G plus 4G LTE. SIM, dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Operating system, MIUI, based on Android. Display. Size, 6.67 inches. Type, AMOLED. Resolution, 1080 by 2400 pixels. Refresh rate, 120 Hz. Performance. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 series. RAM, 8GB. Internal storage, 256GB. Expandable storage, no. Camera. Rear camera. Main, 200MP. Additional sensors, to be confirmed, likely ultra-wide and macro. Front camera, likely 16MP. Connectivity. 5G, yes. 4G LTE, yes. Wi-Fi, yes. Bluetooth, yes. NFC, yes. GPS, yes. Battery. Capacity, likely around 5,000 mAh. Fast charging, yes. Additional features. Fingerprint sensor, likely under display or side-mounted. Face unlock, yes. Bundle inclusions. Fast car dual charger, included in the bundle for on-the-go charging. Compatibility. T-Mobile, Mint, Teo and Global, the phone supports multiple bands making it compatible with various carriers worldwide, including T-Mobile, Mint, Teo, and others. Purchase considerations. When considering the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, take into account carrier compatibility, ensure the specific bands needed for your carrier are supported. Software updates, check how frequently Xiaomi updates their MIUI for this model. Warranty and support, verify warranty and support options available for your region. This phone is a great choice if you're looking for a high-performance device with extensive camera capabilities and global network support. The included fast car charger is a handy bonus for frequent travelers.